So today I'm doing something I haven't seen on the internet yet, and I would suggest do this at your own risk. As a matter of fact, don't even do this. Um, I'm not liable for anything. I'm gonna try a speed test, so I'm gonna use my other phone to keep track on how fast I'm going, and I'm using this speed app that keeps track of how fast I'm going. Let me do no limit. Okay, let's get down to 0 because I'm not moving. Okay, so that'll do the miles per hour. I'm gonna go by that. It's called speed meter, as you can see right there. Let me see how fast I get on the actual RYobi. Now I'm doing it on a smooth road because this is the most accurate way I can get. I'm gonna go as far down as I could. I might come around again just to see how fast I get. And then I'll let you. So once I get on, you'll see this come up, and I'll just show you the screen that's going out while I'm driving the scooter. I'm gonna do a screenshot of this, or a screen recording of the actual miles per hour, so you can get an exact measurement as to what I'm getting on the actual lawnmower. So let's try that out. Speed test on a flat gravel smooth road. I'm not doing it on grass because it's too unpredictable depending on the grass. This is the most predictable and the most accurate I could think of speed wise on a smooth. So I was averaging a whopping 6 miles per hour on the straight and narrow. I did hit a little downward angle that way. I think I went all the way to 11 miles per hour, but that was the max. And I think it has to do because of the motion of the road. I was going downward. And then I think I hit 7 once, but 6 miles per hour is the average speed on a flat surface on this RYobi. It's half full, you know, I should rephrase that. It's half charged. So pretty cool. All right. I hope you liked the video. Thank you. Bye.